Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into 7 incredible add-ons that will take your 3D projects to the next level. So let's get started. Are you tired of spending hours trying to get the perfect lighting for your 3D renders? Well, the Light Studio add-on by B Production will change your workflow forever. It is your ultimate tool for creating incredibly realistic 3D lighting setups. With 37 ready-to-use and fully customizable lights, you can design your own custom studio lighting with this add-on. These 37 customizable lights are divided into 3 ready-to-use lighting styles: HDRI light, reflector, and procedural light. It is ideal for watches, cars, wines and spirits, jewelry, product design, and much more. You can also quickly change your lights, stamp them directly onto objects, and even configure the background. Light Studio is a huge time saver. Instead of manually adjusting lights and settings, you can quickly set up your scene and get stunning results in minutes. This add-on streamlines your workflow, allowing you to spend more time on creativity and less on technical adjustment. Next, we have TerraPaint, a terrain assets library designed for stylized rendering. With over 500 assets, including snowy mountains, grasslands, deserts, and lava fields, you can create vibrant environments effortlessly. Plus, it comes with 6 example project files and bonus content like fog shaders, stylized cloud PNGs, and a forest generator. And guess what? It's currently 25% off for a limited time. The link is in the description. Go get it before the sale ends. Let's add some atmosphere with quick clouds and fog. This powerful add-on offers 80 high-quality presets and 10 ready-made scenes to create beautiful fog, clouds, and haze backdrops. Whether you need individual clouds or an entire cloud array, this tool adds depth and realism to your projects. The possibilities with this add-on are endless. Up next, we have Tier Painter. This powerful add-on allows you to create realistic tiers in fabric with brush strokes. You can customize length, density, weft, warp angle, thickness, and more. With ready-to-use presets and layers of detail, your fabric clothes will look incredibly lifelike. Further next, we have G-Trash add-on. Ever wanted to add a touch of realism to your scenes? This trash generator is here to help. This tool automatically adds trash elements like bottles, cans, food waste, and paper to your 3D scenes. With just one click, you can enhance the overall atmosphere with grunge, moss, and dust effects. Perfect for your 3D environments. This add-on includes over 280 assets and allows you to edit materials easily. For those looking for a massive library of interior models, the Epic Bundle is a game changer. With over 5,000 models, including beds, cabinets, curtains, lamps, sofas, and many more. This pack is perfect for those who want to save a lot of time. It works seamlessly with KitOps and comes with blend files, pack, GLAD, and OBJFBX files. Plus, it's 30% off with the code SUMMER30. Make your creations faster than ever with this remarkable assets pack. Last but not least, we have Shoot It, a fun and simple add-on that lets you quickly spawn objects in Blender. Whether you need motion graphics effects or objects building up, this tool has you covered. It features effects like book stack, fruity, and spawning with light. Customize your materials and adjust brightness and duration with ease. And there you have it. You can also check some of my previous video. Don't miss out on these amazing deals and start creating stunning 3D environments today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.